bike is getting so old. But I still got the car, still have the truck. I can get a new bike eventually. I'll keep riding this one out. Still fun, still super fast, faster than most modern 600s, so I'll roll it out. But time to go wash this thing real quick. It's getting a little dirty. I got spots all over the place. I got grease on the rear tire, so. Angle. Holy shit. Just close. High pressure. Like sea. Does not feel like high pressure. I love checking out new bikes. How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Not too bad. What's up, man?
Not much, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Yeah, how can we help you today?
I'm just looking at bikes to see if I can get more motivated to buy a new one or not.
If you have any questions, man, just let us know.
But damn. The green is super nice too, though. Here's Tiffany's new bike right here. That she should get. Ninja 500.
Is there anything we can help you with?
Oh no, I'm just looking.
All right. If you have questions, just grab one of us, okay?
Sounds good, thank you. They have an R7 here? I don't know what. Oh my god. That is so soft compared to mine.
What do you mean by that?
Thinking.
When I have fucking $2,000.
I was gonna say, they're a couple grand nowadays for exhaust.
I'm gonna do the MIV exhaust on this.
Okay.
I would do it.
How much was yours?
1100.
Makes sense, yeah.
Well, 1100, but if you add the tune, it's about 600 plus.
So it's still looking at around $2,000.
Yeah.
About the same, yeah.
Sweet.
Number one thing to do.
Yep, I need a new bike. That's all it is. I need a new bike. Doing good? Tiff, doing good?
you guys up to?
Chilling.
Hop on that website and show them the one I want now.
Oh, the 400. It's from Used Bikes Direct.
I went down the highway. I tried cooling it off a little bit.
My bike was hot as shit the whole way.
That's why I hit the highway. I was like, maybe I can just cruise.
Get it to cool off.
Mine did not.